months. So we really do need to be replacing the last of the timber sleepers between Muckleford and Malden. There's still around 4,000 to go. We expect that we can do it, but ultimately we are up against the financials a bit here. It's a very expensive process to purchase all the bits and pieces that we need to do the job. So we'll be looking to raise some funds in various ways, and hopefully Neil's going to talk to the somewhat interesting financial situation that we're in at the moment. But we're hoping that a fairly open policy with the finance and which is open your wallets and throw it our way. But no, we really are hoping that we can find a way of funding this while the railway's in a position to do the work, because if we don't do the work in the next 12, 18 months, we do run the risk of having quite a section of track that we just can't use, in which case then trying to fund it's going to be a very interesting situation. So on the back of COVID, on the back of all the challenges of everything else that hopefully everyone else can now have a bit of a chat about, we're in an excellent position, probably the best we've been for in a very long time, but we can't quite rest on our laurels yet. So great to see everyone. Thank you. Keep reading the blog. I do it all for you. So.